This lesson is called the 4 operations with unknown amounts: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll start with variable expressions, addition and subtraction of unknown amounts. How do we show addition and subtraction with variables? My variable is the number of cards in a stack of playing cards. We'll use X. I can add cards to the cards in my hand. We don't know the total, but we can do math all the same. I can add a constant, a known amount of cards, to my unknown amount, x plus 3. This is an expression, so that's it, no equal sign. We can subtract a number from x as well, x minus 7. Now we have an unknown amount, and we're taking away a known amount, which is 7. What words do we use for addition of unknown amounts? The sum of 6 and x, 6 plus x. The sum of a number and 6, x plus 6. A number increased by 3, n plus 3. 4 more than a number, n plus 4. X added to 5, 5 plus x. 5 added to x, x plus 5. The total of 2 and a number, 2 plus n. 7 plus a number, 7 plus n. What words do we use for subtraction of unknown amounts? The difference of 9 and x, 9 minus x. The difference between x and 9, x minus 9. A number decreased by 7, n minus 7. 7 decreased by a number, 7 minus n. A number minus 5, n minus 5. 3 take away x, 3 minus x. 6 subtracted from x, x minus 6. X subtracted from 6, 6 minus x. 4 less than a number, n minus 4. Now we're going to look at variable expressions, multiplication of unknown amounts. How do we show multiplication of unknown amounts? I have that stack of cards. It has an unknown amount of cards in it. I can multiply it. Say I make 3 stacks that all have the same amount of cards. Let's call the number of cards in each deck x. Multiplication with variables does not use the multiplication symbol. It looks like an x. A constant before a variable means multiplication. It's an invisible operation. We use the constant 3 to represent the 3 stacks. We write or express the multiplication 3x. Parentheses can also mean multiply. 3 parentheses x. I could take those 3 decks and subtract 2 cards from each and write that 3 parentheses x minus 2 end parentheses. The unknown amount of cards minus 2 cards multiplied 3 times. What words do we use for multiplication of unknown amounts? The product of 7 and a number, 7n. The product of a number and 7, 7n. 4 times x, 4x. X times 4, 4x. Notice that in English the order is different, but that in math it's the same for multiplication. The constant comes before the variable to mean multiplication. For addition and subtraction, this is not the same. The order, in fact, changes as we say it differently in English. Continuing, a number multiplied by 9, 9n, 1/2 of x, 1/2 x. A number added 6 times, 6n. 3 x's, 3x. Variable expressions, division of unknown amounts. How do we show division of unknown amounts? In algebra, division is shown using the fraction bar. 1/2 looks like this, 1 over 2, or 1 out of the 2 pieces. The fraction bar divides the 1 piece into 2. In algebra, that's how division is written. If I have that stack of X cards, I can divide it into 3 piles. X over 3. That means that the unknown amount of cards, X, is divided by 3, using the fraction bar to represent division. What words do we use for division of unknown amounts? The quotient of 5 and a number, 5 over n. The quotient of a number and 5, n over 5. X divided by 6, x over 6.